In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to update the WordPress core within the WordPress dashboard. And why it's important to update your website, not just from a security standpoint, but if you want that new Gutenberg Page Editor, that's wrapped up within this core update. So you're going to want to make those updates in order to get the new features of WordPress. And there's two different ways that you can go about doing this. A lot of people have their WordPress set up so that it automatically updates. This is great, but you're going to want to have a backup feature as well. Otherwise, you can manually update WordPress whenever you want, and this is also important if you have a custom theme that you don't want to break. Because you're going to want to back up your website, and there's multiple ways that you could do that. You could do it through FTP, you could do it through cPanel, because you're going to want to get the database of WordPress as well. Or there's other plugins and services that you can do to back up your site. The Inventor's Velocity or your webmaster could back up your site as well. But either way, you want a backup of your site, especially if it's custom, because when you update WordPress, it could break some of those features of your custom theme, and you don't want that. So a nice backup will let you fall back and figure out what's going on. With that being said, again, it's important to want to do updates occasionally for your website because of security features and new features of WordPress, just like the Gutenberg Page Editor. With that being said, let's begin. To update the WordPress core, you will typically see a message in the top of the dashboard. Or you can click the Updates button on the left side navigation below the dashboard button. When you click the Please Update Now button, you will be taken to a page with all the updates available to install on your WordPress website. It is very important. I mean, very important. Seriously, back up your website before you do any of these updates. Whether you're updating your core, or whether you're updating plugins or the theme files within your WordPress website, you want to do a backup because any update can override any custom code to your website and can even break your website. We will only update the WordPress core for now to 5.0.2. Note, if you want Gutenberg, you need to use this update, or 5.0 or better will have the Gutenberg update. Click Update Now. Let the prompt run and install updates. Boom! You now have the current version of WordPress. Make sure to read all about Gutenberg in the dashboard news. Double check your website to make sure nothing was broken. You now know how to update your WordPress site core. Yes, it's that easy. Watch more WordPress training videos at tiv360.com. The Inventor's Velocity, WordPress, WooCommerce, SEO, expertise and resources.